Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the Coachmen Galleria Model 24Q version Li3. With 4x4 and with Li3 lithium-ion batteries. This is van life. This is what people want. Wait until we see the inside. This is powered on the Mercedes chassis with 4x4. It's the 3.0 liter V6, 188 horsepower. You got the nice Van Continental tires, shiny rims, and what's crazy about this is this has the Li3. We have the air conditioning on. This whole thing powered just by lithium-ion batteries, no generator. When we want to see the inside, we just pull the handle because the door is going to automatically open up and let us in. Check out the inside. Once you come on the inside, you're going to see 4 captain's chairs. There's also 3 seats in the back, so you can safely travel 7 people all at one time. Right up front here, you can see that it has the big Mercedes screen, which means it has adaptive cruise controls, lane assist, collision mitigation. These seats have seat belts. It's very nice. Tons of headspace. Look at all the cabinetry above in this motorhome. Nice kitchen countertop area. Little refrigerator right there. Over here you can peek in and see that you do have a wet bath. Now this wet bath, it is what it is. That's what you call van life. Okay? And then back here you can see you have another 3 places to seat. So safely travel 7. You got a TV right there, and then look up and then go all the way around the perimeter. Look at all the storage in this awesome Class B motorhome. Because you got the lithium-ion batteries and 4x4s, you can truly go off-gridding, you can truly go boondocking, and this unit is a beast. And it MSRPs for about $230,000. But if you're interested in this, we can always get you a better price. Great, so that's it. That's a quick little 2-minute tour of the Coachmen Galleria. If you guys are interested in learning more about this unit, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Or, if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, great. Click that link down below and a member of our team will reach out to you and get you guys a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you next time.